Part of doing a flipped classroom is having videos. So there are a couple of different ways you can do this. You could go through PlayPause, you could go through Edpuzzle. There are a lot of resources out there. But if you want to specifically use Schoology, I'm going to show you how you can use a video that you've already created, so a video on some type of lesson, and upload it into your Schoology quiz. And that way it'll be in the quiz or in the resource for the students to look at and watch. So once you have your quiz, you're going to go and you're going to add a question. So there are a bunch of different question options, and way at the bottom, there's one called text. You're going to click on text, okay? And then again, we've got a bunch of different options along the top. You want to look for this arrow that says insert content. So insert content, because that's what you want to do. You want to insert a video. So again, there are a couple of different options here. If you wanted, you could just put the link to a video. If you had recorded your video and then saved the file on your computer somewhere, you could click Insert Media and attach a file from your computer. Okay, so again, that's just the Insert Content and then Image Media. If you don't have the file on your computer, so for example, I keep all of my videos on YouTube, instead of uploading media from my computer by attaching a file, I would want to upload something from the web. Okay, and since it's not an image, it's media, so I'm going to click on media, and then I'll have a space where I can put a link or an embedded link. So here's my YouTube video, and this is my lesson on Schoology about combinations. So on YouTube, they have some different options, and one of them is share. And when it has those share options, you can decide to get an embedded link. An embedded link is what you want, and then you can copy the link, and then you go back to your Schoology quiz and you paste. Insert the media, and this is good. You want this orangey beigeish box to pop up. Click create text, and voila. In your quiz, you now have this video. So as your students are taking the quiz, answering the questions, they will have this video in there also. Okay. So that is one way. It is a lot of steps, but again, you go to add question, down to text, insert content, image media, so you have the option to take it from the computer. You have the option to put that embedded link. Otherwise, if it's hooked up correctly, so for example, I have YouTube kind of plugged into my Schoology, if you will. So I can click on YouTube, and then I can search my video. So 12.2c, combinations. Oops, if I could spell combinations, this would be better. Combinations, and then right here, this is my video, and I can tell because I know that that's the picture of what my video looks like. So I will decide to import as embedded, and there's my box again, and here's my video. So a couple of different ways that you can embed videos into your Schoology quiz.